So first thing over here we have is the slice tool. So what does this slice tool do? This slice tool works like a cookie cutter. So let me just pull some shapes here. Star, square. All right. So let me just change the color of this square, purple. And we have the star in gray color. And right now you can see the star is hidden behind the square. So like I showed you earlier, I'm going to go to the arrange option and send the rectangle to the back so that I can see the star. And there you go. We have the star and the rectangle. Now I'm just going to click and drag to select both of these. And then I'm going to click on the slice tool. Whoa, look at that. There is a hole in the square. There's a stencil cut out of the star in the square. How cool is that? So this is the use of the slice tool. You can use it to cut out the shapes. So another cool use of the slice tool is when you're working on projects larger than the mat. So let me just bring this one up over here and show you how this thing works. So let's say, let's get rid of all these useless stuff. All right, so let's say this project is larger than the mat. So what you can do is bring in some shapes over here. I usually like to work with a square, and you can place it so that it covers half of the image or something, so that this half can fit on one mat and this half can fit on the other mat. So once again, so the thing over here, the key over here is to select both the shape and the image together. So click and drag so that both of them are selected, and go ahead and click on slice over here. And there you go. So you have so this image has been cut into half now. So when you click on make it, so this image can be cut on one mat and this other one can be cut on the other mat. And later, once everything is cut out, you can just glue them together like this. So yeah, that's pretty handy when you're working with larger than the mat projects. So that was all about the slice tool. Now we're gonna go to the next option over here, which is weld.